all the way from America, an eagerly awaited Phantom wallet. Can't wait to show you this one, so let's get started. A tiny box of something. And the Phantom wallet. What else do I see here? So Phantom or Ant6 Designs that developed the Phantom wallet have sent a 20% discount code. I don't know if it's a one-time deal or if it works for everyone. I'd rather you guys get some benefit from it, so I'm not going to use it. If it works for you, drop me a comment or a thumbs up, thanks. I've collected lots of wallets now for the channel, and this Phantom wallet has by far the best presentation box. It adds value if you intend to buy this for someone else as a gift. Along the side, a quick reminder of the options you chose from the custom online configurator. On the back, some key USPs. I'll talk you through those in a minute. And you have this magnetized closure, which is pretty slick. Now, normally I wouldn't give someone a minimalist wallet because you don't know if they're going to use it. But I would give someone a Phantom wallet because I can show you you're not making a compromise over a traditional leather bifold wallet. In fact, this is a lot smarter. Here we have the carbon fiber finished version, which is a great look at. I've been wanting to review a Phantom wallet for some time, and Ant6 Designs kindly got this one out to me in return for an honest review. You've got a brief guide on how to best use your wallet and details of their lifetime warranty. Most of the wallets I review are RFID blocking, and all of the Phantom wallets that you can choose from are RFID blocking apart from this carbon version. So bear that in mind when you're making your selection. They describe it as featherweight. They're not kidding, it feels disproportional in weight to what I'm actually seeing. Very weird, but not in a bad way. I've got the optional coin holder type here, which adds a little to the thickness, and I have the version which holds 6 to 10 cards. Before I show you its party piece, let's take a quick look at the options you can spec from the online configurator. Being able to custom configure a product is always my preference. The online Build Your Phantom Wallet feature is really slick and photorealistic, allowing you to design exactly what you want. You have a choice of with or without optional coin holder, 3 card capacity sizes to choose from, depending upon how many cards you're going to carry, and allowing you to build this as thin as you prefer. The one I have again is the 6 to 10 card version. The exact amount depends upon how many flat cards versus embossed cards you carry, which is why they specify a range. We've got 4 brushed metallic colours and the carbon fibre. The optional money clip is made of really tough grade 5 titanium and looks awesome. It makes a great slim wallet for your front pocket, even if you spec the largest capacity and with coin holder. So the cards are easily inserted. You have this lip here that secures them. No matter how hard you shake the wallet, the cards won't come out. The lever at the top operates the mechanism that fans out your cards for easy selection. This is the Phantom wallet's core feature, and its functionality here is a major advantage over most slim minimalist wallets that I've seen or tested. If the mechanism appears notchy, that's just the embossed writing clashing. Reshuffle your cards better for a smoother action. Your cards at the front and back are the easiest to pull out and push back in, but the ones you use the most in those positions. Off screen, I've replaced with some real bank cards now. And next we're going to attach the optional money clip. That's what's in the smaller box. They provide you with a hex key and 2 screws. It's got the Ant6 Designs branding cut out, which looks kinda cool. This one is sandblasted in its natural titanium colour. The other finishes we saw were anodized purple, blue or gold. Titanium is so strong that it will never break in this application. All of the pressure, however, is transferred to the screws and plastic that they're attached to, which would more likely be a stress point. I'm sure they've thought of that. It feels well designed. You can have the clip positioned at the front or back of the wallet. With the coin version here, it's better on the front. No matter how strong the clip is, cash is secured only by a concentrated pivot point, so push your cash flat up against the edge of the clip to stop it rotating. As you can see, I much prefer to store the cash between the cards, where I know I'm sure I'm not going to lose it. You're maybe not supposed to do this, but it works fantastic. The coin compartment on here is just great. Under the lever you see the coin slot. All new UK coins fit and slide back out again easily. The maximum coin width it will accommodate is 2.8mm. The coins don't rattle as I'd expected them to. Here we can see the extra thickness it adds to your wallet, remembering that this one could be slimmer with the smaller capacity card compartment and still having the coin option. The coin compartment is one of my favourite features of the Phantom wallet. So you can see this works quite well. There's a bubble wrap burst in satisfaction to pushing the coins in the compartment. at least if you're easily entertained like I am. If you hold the wallet upside down, your coins don't escape. They only come out when you open the lever to retrieve them. And you can store anything else that fits in here, which might include a memory card or a SIM card, or even a spare key or two. I really like the fact that I can carry a generous amount of cash, cards and a few coins. You're getting all of the benefits of a slim, compact wallet with very few compromises at all. I've been using the wallet for a few days prior to uploading the video review, and I'm certain you'll really appreciate it over a traditional bifold wallet. The only thing I don't use often is the cash clip, but I don't want to remove it because it completes the wallet and looks great. I found it attaches really well to my belt if instead I need my pocket space for other stuff. After a few days, you'll find the push lever mechanism can be used with just one hand, and you can just as easily thumb cards out too. Let's take a closer look at the mechanism that separates the cards for you. It's a simple pivoting system made of very few component parts. That means there's not much to go wrong and it should last. If we take a peek inside, we can see the lever arm and how it separates the cards. This one I spec'd comes in at around 14mm thick, which is pretty compact. And that again includes the optional coin holder, making the Phantom wallet much more practical for everyday carry, but still really slim. The X and Y dimensions are a little bigger than a credit card, which makes it easier to handle. Some minimalist wallets aren't much bigger externally than a credit card, and you lose the ergonomics, making them awkward to hold and use. But the Phantom wallet is just perfect. If you don't yet subscribe, I've some more pretty cool wallets to show you soon. Hit subscribe so as not to miss them. See ya!